Namaskar, this is Suniti Ashwini Kumar Khandekar, and today we have come up with a discussion on a new book, which is Indian Diets and Kidney Diseases, a diet book Indian patients always wanted. All you ever wanted to know about kidney diseases as an Indian dietetic perspective is what we have tried to achieve a balance in this book. All these years, diet advices were given, there was literature, but it was Western data based. This is the first book which explains Indian patients about the Indian way of eating in case of kidney diseases. Now, this is our book, Indian Diets and Kidney Diseases, recently launched at notionpress.com. Here you can see the title as All You Ever Wanted to Know. So we have tried to write as much as we are aware about kidney diseases diet. Now this book is for all who feel the need for renal diet. First of all, patients, kidney patients and their caregivers, students of nutrition and dietetics who are interested in renal nutrition, nursing students, nursing staff in dialysis units. Now, dialysis units are always filled with questions regarding what to eat, what to avoid, even before the patients reach renal dietitians. So the nursing staff as well as the dialysis technicians in dialysis units can be useful, and thus this book can help them. Post-kidney transplant care staff can also be benefited by reading this book. Now you can see the two authors, myself Dr. Suniti Ashwini Kumar Khandekar, who is from Nagpur, and Dr. Rachna Jasani, who is from Mumbai. We both have contributed in this book. Now this is the front page. Indian Diets and Kidney Diseases, All You Ever Wanted to Know. Notionpress.com, India, Singapore and Malaysia. Now let's go through the contents of this book. The introductory Kidney Ki Baat, about the authors and message from the authors, as well as a foreword which is written by Dr. Ashwini Kumar Khandekar, nephrologist and transplant physician at Nagpur. Now the chapters which we have included are the basic introduction chapter, We Are Different, about chronic kidney disease and nutrition, diet in CKD stages 1 to 4, something about nutrition, then comes the home food, best food, all you wanted to know about water, salt and sodium, basics of all about potassium, phosphorus care in kidney patients, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, fruits, vegetables, food items to strictly avoid, the big no-nos in a kidney diet, kidney disease diets, myths and facts which are always there in the minds of patients and their caregivers. Now comes the specialized part, diet in hemodialysis patients, diet in peritoneal dialysis patients, diabetes and diet, diet in kidney stones, diet after kidney transplantation, diet in nephrotic syndrome, the protein losing kidney problem, use of keto analogs in chronic kidney disease, and few kidney friendly recipes we have tried so that patients can be benefited. Now the message for the readers from both the authors is who should be using this book: patients and their caregivers, students of nutrition and dietetics, nursing students and nursing staff in dialysis units and post-kidney transplant care staff, dialysis technicians. But please remember, this book serves as a general guideline for kidney diets. However, as medicine prescription is different from patient to patient, so is the book. And so this book does not replace the dietary counseling of renal dietitian. Same is the message by Dr. Rachana Jasani, that this book will help you gain an in-depth knowledge about what the role of a diet is in kidney disease and how each aspect of nutrition can be managed. This book will also give you practical tips for making the necessary changes in your diet. And with this book, we aim to reach out to patients as well as their caregivers struggling to find dietary advice. However, this book contains only general dietetic instructions, since it is important, extremely important to understand that diet tips may vary from patient to patient, as every individual is different. This book cannot replace the dietary counseling of the renal dietitian. Where to find this book? The link given, www.dietbook.kidneyadvice.net, is the place where you can go and purchase the book. Thank you.